If you want to make a quarter circle in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method using a cylinder and a hole shape, and then we'll trim that shape down into a clean quarter circle. This is a simple Tinkercad trick, but once you learn it, you can use it for all kinds of models, sketches, and design projects. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. It really supports the channel and helps you find more quick Tinkercad tips like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Tinkercad and start a new design or open the project you want to work on. Once you're on the work plane, go to the Basic Shapes panel and drag a cylinder onto the work plane. This cylinder is going to represent the full circle, so you'll want to resize it to the diameter and thickness you need for your project. You can click the shape and use the white handles to adjust the size. If you want a perfect circle, make sure the cylinder is evenly sized on the width and length. That way, it stays round instead of becoming an oval. You can also adjust the height if you want the quarter circle to be thin or thick depending on your design. Now we need to cut this full circle in half. To do that, drag a box shape onto the work plane and place it so it covers exactly half of the cylinder. Try to line it up neatly across the center of the circle, because the cleaner your alignment is, the cleaner your final shape will be. Once the box is in place, change it from solid to hole. This tells Tinkercad that the box should subtract from the cylinder instead of becoming part of the model. After that, select both the cylinder and the hole box together. You can drag a selection box around them or hold Shift and click both shapes. With both shapes selected, click Group or use the shortcut Ctrl+G. Tinkercad will combine the shapes and remove the area covered by the hole. Now you'll have a half circle. This is the first step, and it's exactly what we need before making the quarter circle. Now for the quarter circle part, we're going to cut that half circle in half again. Drag another box onto the work plane, and this time place it so it covers half of the half circle. In other words, you're splitting the semicircle into 2 equal parts. Make sure this second box is also set to hole. Then select everything again, the half circle and the new hole box. Once it's all selected, click Group one more time. Tinkercad will subtract the second half, and now you'll have a quarter circle. This method is great because it's fast, accurate, and easy to repeat whenever you need curved shapes in Tinkercad. If your quarter circle doesn't look right, just undo and realign the hole boxes more carefully. Usually the issue is just placement, so taking a second to line everything up makes a big difference. You can also use the same idea to create other curved shapes, like 3/4 circles or custom arc pieces, by adjusting how much of the cylinder you remove with hole boxes. So once you understand this technique, you'll have a lot more control over your Tinkercad designs. And that's it. You now know how to make a quarter circle in Tinkercad using the cylinder and hole method. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tutorials, beginner tips, and step-by-step design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.